Okay, today we are going to discuss the answers for these questions where you have to write a short paragraph of the story. So by answering all these questions, okay, so we are going to write this Jerry's painting, a paragraph, a short paragraph about Jerry's painting. It's actually a summary of the graphic story Jerry's painting. So what you have to do is you have to answer all these questions until the end. Then all these questions, the answers for all these questions will make up to the formation of the summary. That means eventually you will construct a short paragraph by answering all questions. So we have how many questions here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are actually 15 questions. But of course, all these questions, I mean, you have to answer all these questions. But sometimes when you write the summary, it is not possible for you to write all the answers as it is. But that doesn't matter because the important thing is you learn how to answer first the questions. Then from there, we will adjust the writing so that it will be more of a summary. So let's go to the first sentence. Okay, what's the time? So what's the time? Okay, let me check the Get Smart Plus 3 students book. Mm, okay, so you have to see all these questions are actually based on the 4 frames. So the first few sentences, the first few questions will be based on the first frame. So the first question is, what's the time? Okay, what's the time? So it's 11 o'clock. Okay, full stop. So the first question, the answer is it's 11 o'clock, full stop. Then the second question is, who is at Jerry's house? Who is at Jerry's house? So you answer, Marcy is at Jerry's house. So the third question now is, who is the boy? Who is the boy? So Jerry is the boy. What is the boy doing? He is painting a portrait. Who has a dog? Jerry has a dog. What's the dog's name? The dog's name is Sally. Have Sally and Marcy got curly hair? Yes, Sally and Marcy have got curly hair. What colors are Sally's and Marcy's hair? Sally's hair is brown and Marcy's hair is blonde. What is the time now? This one is already going to the third. This is actually the third frame. I purposely did not ask you the question for the second frame because there's nothing much of a story in the second frame. So in the third one, why emphasizing the time? Because the dialogue between between Jerry and Marcy is regarding time because Marcy is actually rushing to go for a karate lesson. So that's why I emphasize this question. Okay, what is the time now? It's 2:30. Who has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock? Marcy has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. Who wants to see the painting now? Marcy wants to see the painting now. Whose picture has Jerry painted? Jerry has painted Sally's picture or Sally's portrait. Okay, does Marcy like the picture? No, Marcy does not like the picture. Or you can also say, no, Marcy doesn't like the picture. Okay, the next question. Why do you think Marcy does not like the picture? So the answer will be Marcy does not like the picture because the picture is of the picture is actually Sally's picture. Okay, I repeat again. Why do you think Marcy does not like the picture? Okay, Marcy does not like the picture because it's Sally's picture. Okay, the next question. Do you think Marcy is angry? Yes, Marcy is angry. Do you think Jerry has played a trick on his friend? Yes, Jerry has played a trick on his friend Marcy. Okay,